Ricardo, big up.
Yes.
We heading up in the Zorro. How life going?
Life just cool with me after God.
After God, well done. So thank you for having us. You know,
Yes.
you know we like to come and visit you from time to time.
Really, yeah.
I just want to hit your bongs and show you some love.
Really.
Yeah, I'll go ahead and enjoy your television. I don't mean to distract you.
Yeah. I timing them to come in.
You come in real nice.
Yes.
You remember there's a time where people used to jumbie us for having that?
Very land. Very
Yeah.
land. Not again.
Not again. Time's changing. We're
Yes,
moving
yes.
forward.
Very land.
Respect, my brother.
Yeah, goodness.
Blessings. So we're off to a short walk to Zorro Waterfall. Jono back in the dance. Look at him again, grey and thing boy, man. Raising children.
Wait till you have your child.
I'm real grey too already. I can't really tell you nothing to be honest. That's real
Yeah,
too.
boy, you're a diet, boy.
Diet. Jason all the way from Tobago.
Yeah, from
No, actually
Trinidad.
Tobago, you are a Trinidad man, but he's spent time with the Tobago crew.
Yeah.
And David, the real Tobago man. So I'm taking him Zorro for the first time. David, what do you expect to find?
Well, let's see the trail. I'm very excited. Tobago's trails aren't that treacherous, so I'm looking for some climbing and stuff if there is.
You might even get some poisonous snakes because Tobago don't have none.
Goodness. Well, look at that. Wrong place for that.
Yeah, boy. All right, Zorro, here we come.
And no problems.
I actually come across an Instagram account.
So they'll be able to post it easy.
No, I have to come like doing
Oh, okay.
like a Facebook page and stuff from.
No limits box, eh? Tell us about it.
Yep.
Now we're coming into one of my favorite parts in Zorro, where you walk through a little gorge as you progress through the hike. And I have these first timers here with me, you know, so it's always exciting for me to show new people the places I love. And we're gonna walk through here. Yeah, just watch the rocks when you're coming through here. Sometimes the rocks are a little uneven. I'm coming, going up this little gorge here. Get catch!
Yeah, I was waiting for that one.
That man can't hike, he's a flicking waste of time.
Oh gosh.
Beauty. Pure beauty. Just watch your footing and don't be like me. I can send you some of this footage if you want as well. Woo!
Awesome.
You will love it. I'm excited to show you that you will really like it when we get there.
It's just the lead up to it.
But that's it too. So a big part of it is the walk and the build up is equally as nice when you reach it.
Just beautiful.
Yes.
Yeah.
Along the way you end up in this gorgeous little pool on the way up. Take a look. Boys, how are you liking it?
Love it.
Jason, you enjoying Trinidad and Tobago?
Yep.
And you take your time and you climb up in this little waterfall here like Jono and you make your moves.
In your own pants here, hold on.
Throw your thing if you want.
Huh?
Throw the water if you want.
Yeah.
Once you've gotten past the small waterfall behind me there, you'll be climbing up by this tree. You'll see there's a rope and it takes you up and over that hill. And once you've reached this point, you're approximately 5 minutes away from the little waterfall. So we're nearly there. Nice. Hello.
Hola, hola.
Bonsoir, mes chéris, mon chéri, whatever.
Shut up.
Hi Jason, so from here going just around and following the rocks to that pool over there. This is it, eh? So yet another beautiful pool on our way to Zorro. Now when you're crossing this pool, unless you don't mind getting very wet, you have to try and stick to the sides, like how Jono and Jason doing there. And then you're heading up again. Brother work. So David, welcome to Zorro Falls.
Beautiful.
What's your first impression?
Well, getting here was absolutely gorgeous. The terrain, the pools, the climbing, and now this. Look at the pool.
Exactly.
Just beautiful. Like, I want to get up there right away.
It's not big, but it's nice. Yeah.
Yes, very nice.
Somebody left some soap so we can take a bath. And this is the beautiful Zorro waterfall. Let's take a walk. Just a point of note for you guys, it gets, depending on the water levels and the rain, but most of the way you can stand up near to the waterfall itself, it becomes about like about 5 feet deep or so. Deeper sometimes, so if you're not a strong swimmer, don't stand right up against the waterfall in this deep green darker spot here. Stay in the shallower areas over there. Beautiful. So Jono, if you were to climb up this waterfall, you get to another set of falls, right?
Correct. A pretty big waterfall, but landing on rocks. They have no pool landing up there.
We don't recommend climbing unless you're really competent with going up rocks and rope.
Check out where they tie it off now.
If you can't see up here, but that tree there, it's tied onto it. You know, they seen it right there.
What's the weight capacity? You can see the big falls on the left.
So there is a rope here for climbing, but very much at your own risk. Trini Surfer did not tell you to climb that rope and go up, okay? Jono did.
Nah, don't put that on me at all.
Okay, David did.
David did. David will be the man to climb it. Let me see how that water feeling there, boys.
Cold and lovely. Oh my goodness.
Want to wash your dirty heads off in the waterfall.
It's true.
Wet
Loopers.
head time. Wet head.
You gotta get a new analogy.
Nah, whatever I say is always trending.
It'll definitely be trending, but for the wrong reason.
I not in the video. Everybody look at this man here, the one wet head.
Nah, not me. It's you.
Wet head time.
Wet head time.
Alright. Hold on.
Hide behind you, wet head.
I'm trying to see.
Photography man, McQueen. Tobago versus Trinidad, stone skipping. Of course the Trinis are going to destroy the Tobagonians. Team Trinidad.
The Trini pressure is too much for these two again.
Too much for these islanders, these small islanders here with these small stones. How you looking there? Well good. Okay, Tobago has pulled this stone. Alright, so Team Tobago will be going first. Let me get over here. David representing Team Tobago. 3, 2, 1. What's that? About 3?
Pathetic.
Team 2.
Mulligan.
Team Tobago again.
1G.
1.
Okay, one more try.
No, these Tobagonians only like chance, boy. Ooh, that one hit the rock. Team Trinidad, are you prepared to do something worth our time?
Yeah.
Warming up, Team Trinidad is warming up. Yeah.
We take it again.
Team Trinidad. Very good, very good. Cold water. Woo. That's my boy back there. One of the nicest places in Trinidad and Tobago. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this little trip to the beautiful Zorro. This is probably like the 5th video I've made on it, but always worth an updated video. Big up, blessings, like and subscribe. Have a fantastic week. Look out for plenty more content. Bless up.